there's something that respectfully we need to clear up, and we can agree to disagree on other things. But unless you give me information to the contrary, the association and the chamber, for that matter, that are also here, have to stop with this fallacy that the millionaire's tax hurts small business. We have over 700,000 registered businesses in the state of New Jersey. If every single one of the 16,000 payers was a millionaire, that would be 2.2% of businesses in the state of New Jersey. We could argue about a lot of things here, but let's stop with the fallacy that this is a tax on small businesses. The vast majority of small business owners, I am a small business owner, have never seen, I would love to pay this tax, okay? A vast majority of small business owners in the state of New Jersey do not gross $1 million a year. So let's argue about other policy issues, but let's stop with this statement that this affects small businesses. We all know that the vast majority of these folks are very successful financiers on Wall Street and boutique lawyers. Okay? It's not about small business owners. And again, just for everybody here, that is a point I think we need to move beyond. There is definitely room for discussion about how appropriate this is to continue it in the future. I don't think there's any question, given our duress, that we need to do it now. And I have worked very closely with the chairman and with these, the chamber and the association and business groups throughout the state to try to get the economy up and running.
There is data to suggest that this does have an impact on small business. The extent to which that impact, the numbers, there's a gray area there. I won't deny that. We believe it's somewhere between 20 and 30%. So I would have to stick by our guns here and say that it does impact small business, at least to the extent of, let's just say, even on the low end, 20% of those 16,000. So again, I understand your position. I just, again, I respectfully disagree and feel as though that the only other thing I would say is you've been a champion of a lot of the incentives that are out there, and we appreciate that. Everything that we're doing, whether it be in this budget or in other bills, has an impact on perceptions. And I think that is something that's significant. And again, I give credit to the chairman and to other members of this committee for the single sales factor, for the income consolidation, for the R&D tax credit bill, for lowering the minimum filing fee for S corporations. Those things send a positive message to the business community. I would just suggest that $1 million